Yo, what's up everyone? It's Brian. Welcome back to the channel. CES 2025 just wrapped up and it was insane. We got a sneak peek at the future of tech, from mind-blowing TVs to GPUs. That'll make you question reality. Today we're diving into the top 6 must-have tech gadgets from CES that had everyone buzzing. So if you're ready to explore the cutting edge of technology with me, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's jump right into it. Alright, first up, we got to talk about Nvidia's new RTX 50 series GPUs. This is not just a refresh or a spec bump, guys. This is a full-blown revolution in graphics processing. The flagship 5090 is an absolute beast, boasting double the CUDA cores of the previous generation and an insane amount of RAM. For gamers, it means buttery smooth frame rates at 4K and even 8K resolutions, with ray tracing cranked up to the max. We're talking lifelike reflections, realistic lighting, and immersive environments that will blow your mind. Nvidia's also implemented some insane new AI-powered features. DLSS 3.0 takes upscaling to a whole new level, delivering even sharper images and higher frame rates with minimal performance impact. And then there's the new AI-powered anti-aliasing, which smooths out jagged edges like never before. These new GPUs are going to revolutionize everything from video editing to 3D rendering. We're talking about significantly faster rendering times, more realistic simulations, and the ability to create content that was simply impossible before. The RTX 50 series is a glimpse into the future of gaming and beyond, and I can't wait to see what developers do with all this power. Moving on from the world of GPUs, let's talk about something a little different. Samsung's always been known for pushing the boundaries of TV design, and this year they've outdone themselves with the new Frame Pro TV. The Frame Pro features an incredibly thin bezel and a unique design that allows it to sit flush against your wall, just like a real picture frame. The Frame Pro boasts a stunning 8K QLED panel with quantum HDR, delivering incredibly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an unbelievably immersive viewing experience. Thanks to Samsung's new Neo QLED technology, you get even better brightness control and contrast, making every detail pop. The new Tizen operating system is snappy and intuitive, giving you access to all your favorite streaming apps and services. With built-in Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant support, you can control your entire entertainment setup with just your voice. When you're not watching TV, the art mode transforms the screen into a beautiful piece of art, displaying your favorite paintings or photographs. You can even customize the matting and frame style to match your decor. The Samsung Frame Pro TV is the perfect blend of art and technology, offering a truly unique and immersive viewing experience. It's a statement piece that will elevate any living space. Now, for you OLED lovers out there, LG's back at it again with the stunning G5 OLED TV. The G5 features LG's new OLED Evo panel, which boasts even higher peak brightness and improved color accuracy compared to previous generations. We're talking perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and colors that are so vibrant and lifelike they'll take your breath away. Thanks to LG's new A9 Gen 5 AI processor, the G5 delivers incredible picture processing and upscaling, making even your old DVDs and Blu-rays look stunning in 4K. With a lightning-fast 120Hz refresh rate, variable refresh rate, VRR support, and incredibly low input lag, the G5 delivers buttery smooth gameplay and eliminates screen tearing. The G5 supports all the latest HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG, ensuring that you experience movies the way they were meant to be seen. LG's gallery design allows the TV to sit flush against your wall, just like a piece of art. With its minimalist stand and virtually bezel-less design, the G5 is sure to be the centerpiece of any living room. The LG G5 OLED TV is a masterpiece of engineering and design, offering an unparalleled viewing experience. It's sure to impress even the most discerning viewers. Alright, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something completely different. Robot bartenders. Yes, you heard that right. CES 2025 showcased some seriously impressive advancements in robotics, and these automated mixologists are ready to shake up the future of cocktails. Imagine walking into your favorite bar and being greeted by a sleek, futuristic robot arm ready to take your order. These robotic bartenders are equipped with advanced sensors, precision pouring systems, and an extensive library of cocktail recipes. Whether you're craving a classic old-fashioned or a complex molecular mixology masterpiece, these robots can whip it up in seconds, all while putting on a mesmerizing show with their precise movements and flair. Robot bartenders offer a number of advantages over their human counterparts. They can work tirelessly without breaks, ensuring consistent quality and service even during peak hours. They eliminate the risk of human error, ensuring that every drink is perfectly measured and mixed to your liking. And they can even personalize your experience by remembering your favorite drinks and offering recommendations based on your preferences. While robots excel at precision and efficiency, they lack the human touch, the ability to engage in conversation, and the creativity to invent new and exciting cocktails. The future of bartending is likely a collaborative one where robots handle the repetitive tasks, freeing up human bartenders to focus on customer interaction and crafting unique concoctions. So next time you're out for a drink, don't be surprised if you find yourself face to face with a robotic bartender. All right, let's talk about something straight out of a sci-fi movie, flying cars. Remember those futuristic films where cars would soar through the air, effortlessly navigating through towering skyscrapers? Well, that future might be closer than you think. CES 2025 showcased some incredible advancements in flying car technology, with prototypes taking to the skies and demonstrating the potential of this revolutionary mode of transportation. We're talking sleek, aerodynamic designs, vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, and the promise of a future where traffic jams are a distant memory. Imagine bypassing congested highways and soaring above the city's streets, enjoying breathtaking views and dramatically reducing your commute time. Flying cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation, connecting cities and towns in ways we never thought possible. Flying cars also offer the potential to reduce traffic congestion, decrease carbon emissions, and improve accessibility to remote areas. By taking to the skies, we can free up space on our roads and create a more efficient and sustainable transportation network. Advancements in autonomous flight technology, air traffic management systems, and safety regulations are paving the way for a future where flying cars are a safe and viable mode of transportation. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome, such as cost, infrastructure development, and public acceptance, but the progress made in recent years is undeniable, and it's only a matter of time before flying cars become a reality. So, buckle up, guys, the future of transportation is about to take off. For our final tech marvel from CES 2025, let's talk about something that tugs at the heartstrings. Lifelike robotic pets. These aren't your grandma's robotic dogs from the 90s, guys. We're talking about incredibly realistic, AI-powered companions that look, feel, and even behave like real animals. Imagine coming home to a furry friend that greets you at the door, wags its tail excitedly, and showers you with affection, all without the shedding, the vet bills, or the early morning walks. Robotic pets are becoming increasingly sophisticated with advanced sensors, facial recognition technology, and realistic fur that mimics the feel of a real animal. These robotic companions are powered by artificial intelligence that allows them to learn your routines, respond to your voice, and even develop unique personalities. They can provide companionship, reduce stress, and offer a sense of purpose, especially for those who are unable to care for a real pet. Imagine a world where elderly individuals living alone can enjoy the companionship of a furry friend, where children with allergies can experience the joy of having a pet, or where busy professionals can come home to a loyal companion without the added responsibility of a real animal. Robotic pets offer a unique blend of technology and emotional connection, providing companionship and comfort in a way that was previously unimaginable. Some might argue that robotic pets can never replace the unique bond we share with real animals. However, robotic pets aren't meant to replace real animals. They offer an alternative, a different kind of companionship that can enrich our lives in unique and meaningful ways. And there you have it, guys. Those are my top picks for the most incredible tech showcased at CES 2025. From mind-blowing GPUs and stunning TVs to revolutionary robots and flying cars, The future of technology is looking brighter than ever. Be sure to let me know in the comments which gadget you're most hyped about. And if you think I missed anything epic, drop a comment below. As always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech reviews and updates. Until next time, peace out.